Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros without deep frying. First, gather your ingredients like water, butter, sugar, salt, flour, and eggs. You'll need a saucepan and a piping bag with a star tip. We'll explore two fantastic cooking methods, baking and air frying. Get ready to enjoy a lighter, yet equally delightful, version of this classic sweet treat. To start your churro dough, combine 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Next, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth ball of dough forms. Finally, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once your dough is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. For baked churros, pipe them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes or until golden brown. If you prefer air frying, pipe the churros into your air fryer basket and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. As soon as your churros are cooked, while they are still warm, roll them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This sweet coating is essential for that authentic churro flavor. Serve them immediately with a rich chocolate dipping sauce, caramel, or even a fruit compote. You've now created a delightful, lighter version of churros that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.